Hey everyone, Chris from Bókun here. In this Bókun SEO Crash Course video, I will discuss another top component of SEO, content. If you like our content, I encourage you to subscribe, as in future videos, we're going to discuss more valuable topics to help your site rank higher in search engines. There are a lot of factors that go into ranking high in search engines, but in this video, I'm going to focus on the top 4 factors of your content that will help you with your search engine optimization, or SEO for short. The whole category of content is crucial. After all, websites are just a bunch of content with underlying code and markup that tells your browser how it should look and how it should operate. Naturally, first, you'll need to create quality content. You should be loading your site with content that is valuable to your visitors. This will help you attract them and also keep them on your site. For your tours and activities business, this means writing compelling and informative product descriptions and including high-quality images. You should also go further and include pages of content about your local area and a page about your business. You could also include a blog where you post weekly about current events and things to do. This also means setting your content up correctly with good titles and headings and writing a good meta description that will appear in search engine results pages. Visitors find your site in search engines by entering keywords. So next, it's important that you understand the keywords that your visitors are entering into search engines. Google Analytics has a keyword planner tool that can help you with this. Once you know the keywords that drive traffic, you'll want to place them properly throughout your content and make sure that they are featured in URLs, headings, and image alt text. It's important that you make the most of all the hard work that you're putting into content by making sure that your site has a nice design and is easy to use. So that's our next factor. Make sure users can find what they're looking for and find your site visually appealing with a modern design that has an easy-to-use navigation, lots of white space, draws users in with high-quality images, and directs them through your site with good internal linking. This will help ensure your visitors stay and even navigate around a bit. This affects things Google looks at, like click-through rate, bounce rate, and dwell time. Finally, we have off-page SEO, and this is actually a pretty big category. There's a broad range of individual items, but the big ones are getting backlinks, listing on Google Local, and connecting to social media. Off-page SEO essentially encompasses all of the places other than your website where someone might be able to find your site. These links are even more useful when they include one of your target keywords. For example, let's say I wrote a blog post about the 3 best-selling locations in Greece. Another website might decide to link to my post. That will go a long way to helping my search ranking. Also, as you can see, content is critical to being able to get backlinks. Backlinks are part of our content component, because without good quality content, it's very difficult to get backlinks. Content will be an ongoing effort in ranking high in search engines, but if you can focus on these top 4 factors, you're well on your way to success.